Hey guys, hello. Welcome to my channel. I am Nina and my channel is Nina's Beauty Studio. If you like makeup, get ready with me's, reviews, unboxings, skincare, stuff like that, you're in the right place. Hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want, so it can tell you when I upload videos. You can customize it so you don't know of every single one. Also, at the end of the video, please hit the like or the dislike and let me know why you liked it or why you didn't like it. Leave your comments below in the comment section and I will read them and I will respond. Okay, today is Saturday and I thought instead of doing my makeup this morning, doing two videos today, I would break it down to one because I do have Reynaldo here and I like to spend as much time with him as possible on the weekends. And I have Ipsy to open, and I have Boxy Charm. I mean, this one is labeled and filthy. Boxy Charm. And it's a different address than the other box. The other box says Ipsy and has a different address. So I am going to open this. I did offer for Reynaldo to help me out, but he is busy looking up stuffed animals and fans and all kinds of cool stuff that he likes to shop for. So he's going to do that. Now, first, I am pulling out, okay, this is my October box. We're going to talk about my giveaway also at the end here. Okay, this is the iconic London Desk to Dance eyeshadow palette. Let's hope it's not broken. I don't get everything in A1 condition the majority of the time. It does have a little thingy dingy up here. Up there, I got it. Has a very nice mirror, of course. It looks like the other palettes. And beautiful shades. I love them. Look at those shades. Gorgeous. So see, it looks like the other palette that I have, just a different shade. And I have another one too. This one's a little bit thicker. And of course my mirror is broken. And it's been through the ringer. So there's that. And that. And that. And what else do we have in here? Nice, nice, nice bubble wrap. A few of these things I am going to include in my giveaway. Okay, this is Beauty Creations Choose Happy Blush Duo. Okay, this is not my subscription. This is what I purchased. Yeah, it's not my subscription. Okay, and these are the shades, which I'm very excited to try out. Nice little mirror. Pretty good quality. Cute packaging. I like that. And then we have Violet Voss. This is a blush that I ordered for me, but I think, well, I know I'm just going to put it in my giveaway. Ooh, that's a beautiful shade too. I mean, as long as you don't mind it being opened, I'm not touching it, I'm not swatching it, I'm not removing anything off the mirror. I just wanted you to see. I am going to put it back in the box so it can be put into the giveaway box. And I'm glad my Ipsy, my BoxyCharm Ipsy, whatever you want to call it, is in a bigger box, because I'm definitely going to need it. And this is the Soft Nude palette by Trend Beauty, which I do like Trend Beauty. It has a sleeve just like the blush did. And ooh, beautiful shades, especially for fall. I am going to put this in my giveaway as well. So, beautiful fall shades. So let's get 500 subscribers, you guys, so that somebody can use this beautiful palette. Okay, and I put it back in the bubble wrap so it can go in the box. And that is it. My daughter's supposed to be coming today too. Okay, this is in a big box. And it says Ipsy. And it is from Ipsy. And I believe it's from Harrisburg, North Carolina. It's from a different state than the other one. Totally different address. I know I have scissors. I just saw them when I was doing my
Here's the
makeup.
Skill Typhoon by Stefan Ray.
But of course, just because I see them doesn't mean
Are you ready for
I'm
an
going to
exciting
see them when
adventure
I
as a
need them.
director?
Okay, I broke the 2 seals on it. Ta-da. And
Purchase the following products. Full version. If you
Alexa,
want more,
stop.
all right. See you soon. in the
Alexa, go home. Okay, it does have paper in it. And we have inside the Ipsy box is a BoxyCharm Glam-O-Ween little leaflet in here with some tips and all that good stuff. Okay. So here we have another Iconic London palette. And this one is Booming and Gleaming. I'll be the judge of that. And it's in a nice palette. Oop. Of course, just like the other ones. Beautiful shades. These are nice fall shades. So now I have, come on, baby. Try to get it. Come on. Okay. She is pretty. So now I have 4 Iconic London palettes. This is my Power Pick. Is that what it's called? That you pay an extra $15 for? And it is Herbivore, Lapis, Blue Tansy, and Squalene Balancing Facial Oil. Says a lot. Well, it's a pretty nice glass bottle. Of course, there's less product than you think there is. I don't know. Yeah, the bottle is clear. The glass is clear. The contents is blue, aquamarine. So I will give that a try. And then we have YC Collection. And this is, well, I don't want to, okay, the bottom, I accidentally ripped a tiny bit. This is a blush or a, it's called Authentic Glazed Liquid Highlighter. Too dark for me. Now I could use it on my eyelids, but I have a lot of liquid eyeshadows that I'm not using. So I'm not going to add this to it. I'm going to put this in my giveaway as well. I'm sure somebody will appreciate it more than I. Then here we have TYS Cheek Treat Juice. Okay. Looks like a pretty nice shade. It's a liquid blush. I don't want to open it because I'm not sure I want to use it or put it in the giveaway. So I'm going to set it aside as a, we'll see. This is Hip Dot Liner in Stamp in Jet Black. It has the wing stamp on it. There's it's a felt tip liner, nice and pointy. And there is the stamp. Make some wings. We're going to set that there. I'll use that. And this is Transluce Beauty Illusion Volumizing Lengthening Mascara. Okay, I'm not going to open it because I will include it in my giveaway. Now see, I love you guys. If I'm putting a mascara in the giveaway, you know I love you. I'm greedy with my makeup. I ain't gonna lie. Okay, and this is Dew of the Gods. Dreamquake Lavender and Chamomile Relaxing Body Scrub. I use points to get this. I love using body scrubs. So there we have that. So that was a nice, you know, all the goodies I got. And I will try them on here so you all can see how I like them, how I don't like them, and all that good stuff. Also in my giveaway, I'm going to include a brand new Colored Soft Cosmetic Art in the shade Black. I'm not opening it but you can see how it's squared. There's strings. You pull it, the paper comes off. You sharpen it with a razor blade to whatever shape or point you want. I bought a couple of these just recently, and I figured I'd include one of those. I'm not including a razor blade. Okay, I also have Georgette Klinger Marula Primer, all skin types. It has a safety seal on it still, so that's good. And so does this. We have the Professional Pore Primer by Benefit Cosmetics. So that's 2 primers. A mascara. A liquid highlighter. A Violet Voss blush. Which to me, this is not full size. I don't think it is. So why this was included in... Oh no, this is something I purchased. Okay. Sorry, Ipsy. And I do have bubble wrap too, by the way. And this is the Soft Nude Trend Beauty palette. We're going to put that in there as well. See, I do need this bigger box. I'm glad my stuff came. So we're going to take the other stuff out and put it in this bigger box. We got the hand mask, the foot mask, feet and hands. The aromatherapy shower steamer, pretty little hair clip that has 3 little hair clips on top. That will make a pretty design. A Soap and Glory hand food hydrating hand cream per size. The Kate Somerville Exfoliate. This is good stuff. And the Skin Ink Supplement Bar Body Sculpt Fit Serum. And the Aceology, the green tea face mask. This is good too. So, of course I will add a couple more things. We'll fill this box up. Now, I am going to tell you that when I reach 1,000 subscribers, I'll have another giveaway. If I reach 1,000 subscribers, I do want to include some kind of fragrance in that one. We'll make it a little bit bigger box. But, I mean, I'm not done with this one. Not by a long shot. So, I mean, let's get them subscribers. But don't just subscribe. You gotta watch. I mean, I don't expect you to watch every single video I put out. But you gotta watch some. You gotta like or dislike some. You gotta comment below. Absolutely. You have to participate. I mean, I don't think that's asking too much. What do you think? I mean, let me know how you feel about it. Let me know if you like the contents of the box. Or, oh, there's my scissors. I knew they'd appear once I didn't need them. Or do you not like the contents of the box? So, I mean, let me know how you liked my shopping items from Ipsy. My October box from Ipsy. I'm so confused on that one. Is it Ipsy? Is it BoxyCharm? Who knows? But, I'm not sure. What do you guys think? Should I stick the liquid blush in the box too? Or should I keep it and try it? You know, there's a palette in here. We may end up with another palette. You know what I mean? But, I mean, I appreciate my subscribers. Absolutely. I appreciate those who watch my videos. I appreciate those who like my videos. And if you don't like them, be honest. Tell me you didn't like it. And tell me why. You know what I mean? I can take constructive criticism. I mean, if it helps me, tell me. You know what I mean? But, you know, I love it when you leave me comments. So keep them comments coming. Share my videos. You never know. Someone you know may enjoy watching my videos. So definitely, you know, I'm trying really hard. I'm not perfect, and they will get better as time goes on, I'm sure. But in the meantime, you know, we're going to have this 500 subscribers giveaway. And, you know, I'm going to include a few more things in the box. So, I think, now, if I was to get this box just as it is in a giveaway, I'd be very satisfied. But that's my opinion. You may feel differently. And if you do, let me know. Comment below. I'd appreciate it. So you guys have a wonderful weekend. I will do everything I can to come back tomorrow. And y'all take care, okay? Enjoy. Bye-bye.